Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The color picker is one of several tools you can use to select colors and elements. To view the color picker, click the foreground or background color selection boxes in the toolbox. You can visually select a color using the color field and the color slider in the dialog box, or you can type numeric values for each color component into the fields provided if you know the desired color values. To select a color using the color field and color slider, first select a component next to the HSB or RGB values within the color picker. Then to set a color, click and drag the white triangles next to the color slider up and down to select the general color you want to select. Then click your mouse inside of the color field to place the circle over the color you are attempting to select. You will see the selection color appear to the right of the color slider above your current color choice. If you are designing graphics for the web, you may also want to check the Only Web Colors checkbox in the lower left corner of this dialog box to restrict yourself to colors that will display well on the web. If the box is unchecked and you select a color that isn't web safe, a small box will appear next to that color in the color picker. You can click the cube to select the nearest web-safe color to the selected color. After making your color selection, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.